Never set goals like this again, because goals alone are the reason you keep failing. What if the real problem isn't your discipline, but the way you're trying to achieve your goals? In this video, you'll understand why most people never achieve their goals and what actually works instead. And once you see this, you won't look at goals the same way again. In 2003, the British cycling team was average, not terrible, but nowhere near the best. Then a new coach came in with a strange idea. Instead of big changes, he focused on improving everything by just 1%. They improved seats, they improved sleep, they improved tiny details no one noticed. Small changes, almost invisible. But over time, those small improvements made them one of the best teams in the world. Success isn't one big moment. It's hundreds of small ones. And this is where most people get it wrong. Most people think goals are everything. I want to lose weight. I want to make money. I want to be successful. Sounds good. But everyone has goals. Every athlete wants to win. Every student wants good grades. Every creator wants views. So why do only a few succeed? Because goals don't change your life. Systems do. A goal is what you want. A system is what you repeat. And your life is built from what you repeat. Small habits don't feel powerful. You go to the gym once, nothing changes. You read one page, nothing changes. So you think it doesn't matter, but that's the biggest mistake. If you get just 1% better every day, you don't become slightly better. You become 37 times better in a year. This is like heating an ice cube. 25 degrees, nothing happens. 26, nothing. 31, still nothing. Then, suddenly, 32 degrees. It melts. The change was happening the whole time. Most people focus on what they want, but real change comes from who you become. Instead of asking, what do I want? Ask, who do I want to become? Every action is a vote. You go to the gym, you become a healthy person. You write, you become a creator. And over time, those votes change your identity. Most people fail because they start too big. They try to change everything at once. So instead, make it easy. Not perfect, not impressive, easy. If it takes more than 2 minutes, it's too big. Start small and keep going. Your environment shapes your behavior. If junk food is in front of you, you eat it. If your phone is next to you, you scroll. So change your environment. Make good habits obvious. Make bad habits invisible. So if you want to change your life, stop chasing big goals. Start building small systems. Focus on consistency, because you don't rise to the level of your goals. You fall to the level of your systems. A year from now, you won't change because of one big decision, but because of hundreds of small ones. Watch this next video to learn how to build habits that actually stick.